Have you ever tried to draw a chain or a necklace and now you're curious how to make it look just a little bit more realistic, something like this? Well, today I'm going to show you how with just a couple quick steps. So by the end of this short video, you're going to know how to make one like this. If we haven't met before, my name is Dina Rennick. I'm an artist and an art teacher, and I like to figure out how to make things, do things, and show you how to do it too. For this video, I'm going to show you how to make a very basic chain, and then if you want to go even further and make something a little bit more complicated like this, let me know in the comments and I will make a video for this one too, or anything else you want to learn how to make. So follow along and I'm going to show you steps to make your very own chain. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the chain that I'm going to show you how to do today, and I'm going to start by showing you how to do it with a Sharpie the way that I do it now that I'm used to drawing chains, and then I'll go back and show you a few beginner steps that can get you to this point. So this is how I draw when I'm doodling chains. Almost a little C, and then you start your second one. Another one just like that, and you leave this little gap right there. Same thing. We'll do one more. This one's going to be the bottom one, so I'm going to go all the way around. And then I'm going to complete these. So this one would be behind there, connect, then this one would connect here, and this would finish off the top. So that is how you do it just with a Sharpie when you're used to drawing chains. Now I'm going to show you a couple steps to get you to this point. So the basic idea with the chain is really just 4 ovals. So we can try to make them as even as we can. There's one. But the ovals have to overlap each other. And these are going to be your chains. And then you're going to do another one inside, so it looks like a chain. But right now, you can see that it kind of looks like a chain, but it still has these kind of messy connections. So here's the magic trick. Take the eraser, and on one side you erase the bottom one, and on the other side you erase the top, and now it looks like they're interlocking like real chains. And you just do the same thing on each one. So here I did the one that I want over top, and here's the one I want over the bottom. I'll do it again on this one. Go over my lines just a little bit to make them a little bit neater. And now it looks like I have chains that are really overlapping each other. And then now that you know how to do that, it's a little easier once you get used to it. Maybe you've been doodling them a lot or just practicing. Then you can do it the same way, but this time, if you want to, you certainly don't have to, but if you want to, you can do it without having to erase. So I leave a little bit of a gap right here between them. I think it looks nice that way. And then this is my bottom one, so I can just bring it back around and then finish this. I have been drawing chains for a long time. I really love it, both for if I want to draw a chain for a drawing and also just for a doodle. So hopefully you enjoy that and you try that too. But pretty simple. There's two different ways to make it. One, drawing it with a pencil and then erasing the overlapping parts, and the other one is just drawing it with a Sharpie and skipping the part that you wanted to erase on the first one. You could also go over the pencil after you're done drawing it and then erase the pencil if you want it to be in Sharpie or pen or whatever you want it to be in. Either way, it's gonna look the same. Let's do this and then wrap it up. I just love how it looks like it really is intertwined together. So this is one that was done in pencil first, the extra lines were erased, and then I traced it with a Sharpie. And then this is one that was done just with the Sharpie with no erasing. So either way is awesome. So there you have it. That is how to draw a chain or a necklace and have it look realistic. So this is the one that I did with the Sharpie, and then this is the one that I did with the pencil and then erase the extra lines. And then on this one, I traced over the pencil one too. So however you want to do it is fine. They all look awesome. And I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I love you. Bye. Mwah.